For the decoration of surfaces with rivets, Ritrama's cast series should ideally be used and applied using the dry application method. After a general cleaning, each single rivet should be carefully cleaned. Cut and remove a band of the backing. Apply the decoration over the whole surface, avoiding to press the area about 1.18 inches, 3 centimeters, around the rivets. Group the blisters around the rivets without deforming the film, then punch a few small holes with a pin in order to remove all the entrapped air. Warm the film with a hot air blower. Air temperature approximately 393 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Press the film around the rivet with a plastic spatula or a rivet brush, or your finger, ensuring proper lint-free gloves are worn for this purpose. Accurately press each single rivet. Complete the operation by thermally stabilizing the entire surface where the decoration was applied with a hot air blower. Air temperature approximately 1202 degrees Fahrenheit, 650 degrees Celsius. Verify with a thermometer that the surface temperature is not above 194 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius.